Welcome to I'm Finally Fit, the 10-minute Ultimate Pilates Challenge. If you're looking to sculpt and strengthen your entire body in just a short amount of time, you've come to the right place. Pilates is renowned for its ability to enhance flexibility, improve posture, and build core strength, making it an ideal workout for anyone seeking full body fitness. This challenge is designed to engage your muscles, boost your energy, and leave you feeling accomplished, all in just 10 minutes. The best part, you can do this intensive workout right from the comfort of your home, no fancy equipment needed. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner, grab your mat and get ready to transform your body. Let's dive in and make every second count as we embark on this exciting journey together. Warm up. Before we jump into the 10-minute Ultimate Pilates Challenge, it's essential to prepare our bodies with a quick warm-up routine. Start with some dynamic stretches like arm circles and leg swings to increase blood flow and enhance flexibility. These movements will help loosen up your muscles and joints, setting the stage for a more effective workout. Next, focus on engaging your core muscles by performing gentle pelvic tilts and seated twists. This will enhance your stability and ensure that you're ready to tackle the challenge ahead. Remember, proper breathing techniques are crucial during Pilates. Breathe deeply into your nose, allowing your stomach to expand, and breathe out your mouth, releasing any tension. This mindful breathing will not only maximize your performance but also keep you centered throughout the workout. So, let's get warmed up and ready to sculpt and strengthen our bodies. Core activation. Now that we're warmed up, it's time to engage and activate our core muscles, which are essential for building a strong foundation for the workout ahead. One of the best exercises to kick off this activation is the Pilates 100. Start by lying on your back with your legs lifted to a tabletop position. As you lift your head and shoulders off the mat, pump your arms up and down while inhaling for 5 counts and exhaling for 5 counts. This rhythmic movement not only strengthens your core but also improves your endurance. Remember, maintaining proper form is crucial. Keep your lower back pressed into the mat and your neck relaxed. As you perform the 100, focus on your breath. Inhale deeply to fill your lungs and exhale fully to engage your core even more. This connection between breath and movement will enhance your overall performance and set you up for success in the challenge. Upper body sculpting. Let's shift our focus to upper body sculpting, where we'll target those arms and shoulders with effective exercises designed to build strength and definition. Start with classic push-ups, which not only work your chest but also engage your triceps and shoulders. If you want to add intensity, consider using resistance bands or light weights during your push-ups to challenge your muscles further. Next, move into tricep dips using a sturdy chair or bench. Lower your body while keeping your elbows close to your sides and push back up to feel the burn in your triceps. Throughout these movements, it's crucial to keep your core engaged for stability. This will not only enhance your performance but also protect your lower back. So, grab your resistance bands or weights and let's sculpt those arms and shoulders while maintaining that strong core connection. Lower body strengthening. Now it's time to focus on lower body strengthening, where we'll tone and build strength in our legs and glutes. Start with squats, a fantastic exercise that targets major muscle groups like your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. As you lower your body, ensure your knees stay aligned with your toes to prevent injury and maximize effectiveness. Next, incorporate lunges, which are excellent for building balance and strength. Step forward with one leg, keeping your back straight and your core engaged. For those who may need modifications, feel free to perform shallow squats or stationary lunges to suit your fitness level. Remember, it's all about finding what works for you. Whether you're a beginner or more advanced, these exercises can be adjusted to ensure everyone can participate. Let's get ready to sculpt those legs and glutes while maintaining proper alignment and form. Full body integration. Now it's time for full body integration, where we'll combine movements to engage your entire body for a comprehensive workout. Let's start with compound exercises like the squat to overhead press. This movement works your legs, core, and shoulders all at once, making it incredibly efficient. As you transition from one exercise to another, such as moving from squats and lunges, aim for fluidity to maintain your heart rate and keep the intensity high. This not only maximizes your workout but also enhances your cardiovascular fitness. Throughout these movements, remember to focus on your breath. Inhale as you prepare for each exercise and exhale during the exertion phase. Keeping your core engaged is essential for stability and support, helping you perform each movement with control. So, let's flow through these exercises together and feel the power of a full body workout. Cool down. It's essential to guide you through a cool down routine that promotes recovery and flexibility. Start by incorporating gentle stretches, such as reaching for your toes or performing a seated forward bend to relax your muscles and improve flexibility. These stretches will help release any tension built up during the workout. While you stretch, encourage deep breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. This practice not only helps lower your heart rate, but also promotes relaxation, allowing your body to transition back to a resting state. Remember, post-workout recovery is crucial for overall fitness. It aids in muscle repair and reduces the risk of injury. So, take a moment to appreciate the hard work you've put in today, and let's finish strong with these calming stretches. Your body will thank you for it. Tips for success. To truly enhance your Pilates practice, consistency is key. Aim to incorporate Pilates into your routine several times a week to see long-term results in strength, flexibility, and overall fitness. Consider tracking your progress, whether through a journal or an app, to stay motivated and accountable. Documenting your achievements can provide a sense of accomplishment and encourage you to push further. Additionally, always remember to listen to your body. It's important to modify exercises as needed to suit your fitness level and comfort. If something doesn't feel right, don't hesitate to adjust the movement or take a break. Pilates is all about connecting with your body, so honor its signals. By following these tips, you'll not only enhance your practice, but also cultivate a deeper understanding of your body's capabilities. Keep pushing forward and enjoy the journey of growth and transformation. Frequently asked questions. As we embark on this Pilates challenge, it's natural to have some questions. First, let's clarify the duration and frequency. This challenge is designed to be completed in just 10 minutes a day, making it easy to fit into your busy schedule. For optimal results, aim to practice this challenge at least 5 times a week. Hydration and nutrition play a crucial role in your performance, so be sure to drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workouts. Eating a balanced diet rich in whole foods will fuel your body and enhance your energy levels. We're here to support you on your Pilates journey and ensure you get the most out of this challenge. Your success is our priority, so let's keep the conversation going and make this experience as rewarding as possible. In just 10 minutes, you've engaged in full body sculpting and strengthening, targeting your core, upper body, and lower body. This efficient routine not only enhances your fitness, but also promotes flexibility and overall well-being. If you enjoyed this challenge, we encourage you to subscribe, like, and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from it as well. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Don't forget to explore related workouts available on the channel to continue your fitness journey. Whether you're looking for more Pilates routines or different workout styles, we've got you covered. Thank you for joining us today, and we can't wait to see you in the next video. Keep moving and stay motivated.